a light meal before we go to the Bacon Festival, just to be healthy. So we have 2 salads, one for me, one for my dad.
But what are we gonna add on it?
More bacon!
Alright, go ahead. You gotta start the day off right at the Bacon Festival with some bacon on our salads. Yum. Hey guys, what's up? So it is the Brown family here on this beautiful Sunday afternoon, and today
We're going to the Bacon Festival in Rocky
Woohoo!
Point.
Woohoo! We're gonna go to the Bacon Festival. We're gonna bring you guys along with us because one of us is the Bacon King, and he loves bacon. So we're gonna go check it out. Follow along.
What's up?
What's up?
Hey, so we're here at the North Carolina Bacon Festival here in Rocky Point, North Carolina. So I'm really excited to go in and try out all the activities.
Yeah, I'm actually excited to see what types of bacon fare that they have to offer.
Yeah.
Maybe they have like a chocolate bacon. I've seen something like that for the cool to try.
I'm wondering if they have like barbecued pork, if they have like ribs, if it's just bacon, if it's just like different flavors of bacon.
I'm excited.
You're excited? They also have
a
rides,
squealing
right?
good time.
Squealing good time, perfect.
Thank you.
They have helicopter rides, you said?
Helicopter rides, yes. Pig races.
Jump houses?
There's a pageant. If I would have known,
There's
then
one of the
I would have
helicopters
definitely
going
have put CJ and Weston to try and become Bacon King.
Officially. I mean, he's unofficially self-proclaimed Bacon King. I think we're going to put his Bacon King status to the challenge today with whatever bacon they have to offer. What do you say?
The Bacon Challenge is on.
All right. We'll see you out there. It's a beautiful day in Baconhood. A beautiful day for bacon. Do you like bacon?
Yes.
Do you like bacon?
Yes.
How's it smell?
Amazing.
Amazing. What do you smell? Anything? Bacon. Well, let's see what kind of bacon they got. What do you say?
I'm up for it. So are you gonna...
Helicopter tours. Now that sounds exciting. $30 for a helicopter tour. Have you ever been on a helicopter?
I've never been on a helicopter. The only flying vehicle I've ever been on is
Airplane. Now I have been on a helicopter in Iraq multiple times. Have you been on one?
No.
Never?
Wait. I don't think so. I've sat in one.
You've sat in one.
I've sat in one.
Okay. Interesting. Maybe we will try that out later. We will see.
And if you feel really excited, you can pay $100 per person to fly over the beach and Figure 8 Island, or fly over downtown Wilmington and the NC Battleship. Cool.
So in this little area over here, it looks like they have different pieces of heavy equipment that you can sit inside or look around, and wow, this is pretty interesting. Only in North Carolina do they have something like this. Kind of cool though. How you feeling? Bacon scented candles. Now, how does that sound? I feel like it would smell like a southern breakfast. Do you want your house smelling like a southern breakfast all day? Maybe. Heading into this area that has all the food tents. Starting off with the wood-fired pizza. Of course, they gotta have a beef jerky outlet. But wait, That's not pork jerky, that's beef jerky. Wait a second. What kind of scam are they trying to pull? Little Johnny's Crab Shack. Carolina crab cakes, gourmet soup, seafood specialties with a special firecracker shrimp cake. Watts Poppin' Kettle Corn. So they are trying some bacon flavored popcorn right now. All right, first impressions?
I don't really taste the bacon.
You don't taste the bacon?
A little bit. But it kind of is sweet too. I like it.
What was your impression?
That one tastes like bacon. I thought it was bad.
Yeah, you didn't like it? Would you go out of your way for it? L&L skins and peanuts with pork rind skins, crackling skins, and bacon skins. That may be a heart attack waiting to happen. Oh, so we have barbecue, ranch.
We got a lot of
What's this one right here?
chili cheese,
Chili cheese,
plain.
salt and vinegar, sour cream. Awesome. Check out some of the different skin samples. Which one was that?
This is the plain one.
Plain?
Ranch.
Ranch? How's the ranch?
Ranchy.
Ranchy? Did you do a plain? For those that were wondering, yes, we did bring the little piglet along with us. There he is right there. How you doing, Wes? And he is trying out something right now. What do you have there, buddy? What do you have in your hand? You have
Bacon skin.
a plain bacon skin. I'm not sure if he likes it or not.
We're missing it.
Meat your meat.
Pigs. So right here wearing the white is the Smithfield pig. Let me hear you cheer for the driver, Mr. Eric Amahaw. And then wearing the purple, we're going to see if he can deliver today. That driver is Mr. Hambone Hamlin. Now you can't have a pig race without having a hot dog. So wearing the orange, let me hear you cheer for the Oscar Mayer Wiener car, Mr. Hot Dog Newman. And kids,
I was looking all over.
the yellow one is my favorite
I
one
thought there was
because
a
it's the M&M pig. How many of you like M&Ms? I like M&Ms. Let me hear you cheer for Mr. Bacon Bush. And Hot Dog Newman's acting like a hot dog already. Alrighty, folks.
You're welcome.
Hold on to your hats again. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you cheer for your favorite nice pig. Start your engines! Woo! The winter cars already spun out before they even get out of the gate. Well, they are flying around. They're going to make a world record pace today. Here they go! That is Eric Amahog out front. Eric Amahog is your winner. Y'all make sure you go over there and eat plenty of Smithfield bacon to make sure he knows that you're happy about his result.
Yes, I do.
They are guaranteed to quack you
Go, Willie! Go, Willie! Go, Willie!
Who's gonna be the first one to the next one?
Uncle Si. Uncle Si won. I just lost $500.
Alrighty.
All the different types of bacon. Pre-sectioned out for your enjoyment.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna try first?
I think I'll try our normal delicious bacon. Or if that's what this is, big candy, I'm not sure. Let's try it. This is the candy bacon.
Is it? Let me try. What does it taste like?
Candy bacon.
I've never had candy bacon.
First impression?
Delicious. A little bit of sweetness to the salty bacon. Very good.
So I am going to try the candied bacon, and I'll let you know my first impression. It's soggy. I mean, it's definitely sweet, but if it was a crispier bacon with maybe a crispier candy coating, it would be much better. So, I mean, I don't really recommend it, but it's okay. It's not horrible. So first impressions of the chocolate-covered bacon, Sarah?
I prefer normal bacon.
Hey everybody, so we just finished up here at the baking festival. What'd you guys think?
I thought it was a cool experience, you know, fun to get out and do something different on a Sunday.
I don't think it was all about the bacon. I think it was about the full experience. How there was the pig race. We got to walk around and look at different stuff that they had. And then there was also the bacon with like icing on the top.
I would say I anticipated it to be more about the bacon. I thought there was going to be like bacon stand after bacon stand with all different types of bacons and different types of pork and everything, barbecue and all. And there really wasn't. There was some different styles of food stands from different types of food, but there was really only one central bacon stand that just had different flavors of bacon.
Right. Which I think we all came to the conclusion that we just really like good old-fashioned bacon.
I like good old-fashioned bacon. However, I would like to try like a crispy bacon with like a crispy chocolate maybe, or crispy candy. Maybe. I don't even know if I'd like it, but who knows. Now we are actually going to be heading somewhere to grab something else to eat because we came here with the anticipation we were going to eat lunch here, and we didn't. So we're going to go grab somewhere else.
Yeah.
So, as we said, we're going to go somewhere else and grab a meal, and we're at Peñol Mediterranean Grill, which is one of our favorite spots to go to.
So I have the lamb and beef with tabbouleh and tzatziki sauce and some french fries. And the cilantro lime sauce, which is delicious.
Take my first bite of this gyro today. This thing is loaded full. It's gonna fall everywhere, but that's okay. There's so much meat in this thing. I will go out of my way for this thing all day. Delicious. I am telling you, if you enjoy lamb or enjoy Greek food and you want something fresh and just plain delicious, this is the place to come. Just absolutely everything very, very fresh, very flavorful. They even have the cilantro sauce right here, which adds a little more spice and kick to it. But it's absolutely just perfect. And Weston is over there enjoying his French fry and playing with his shoe. What are you doing?
So we're here at Dairy Queen, and we're gonna have a nice little dessert now that we're done with our main meal for lunch. We have quite a crowd of people, but I think the line will be worth it for a nice cool treat. I got the Reese's chocolate lovers blizzard. What Reese's in it, and some chocolate ice cream. How delicious.
And I got, I guess, a regular flavored Blizzard with Heath Bar and M&M's. And honestly, we waited in line for a long time. Otherwise, I never would have got one this big. But I just felt like to justify how long we waited in line, I need to get a giant one. Bon appetit.
This is really good. There's this place called Buzzable Creamery. They have milkshakes. Well, I tried one of their non-alcoholic milkshakes, and this tastes a lot like that. So yeah, it's pretty good. I love it.
And I'm just trying a bite for the first time. Yep, it's a Blizzard. You can't go wrong.
So we went to the Bacon Festival. We went to Peña, then we went to DQ. All around, pretty nice little day. We went to some pretty good food stops, and we got to try a lot of amazing foods, for the better or the worse. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya. Bye.
Bye.